We will guide you through how to use proofing tools in Wrike. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your preferred web browser on your computer and make sure the browser is ready before continuing. Go to 𝗟𝗏.com and wait for the website to load completely. Click Login to open the Wrike sign-in page and access your account. Enter your email address in the email field, making sure the address is entered correctly before continuing. Click Next to proceed to the password field. Enter your password in the password field, ensuring that the credentials are correct before continuing. Click Login to access your Wrike account. If needed, click Remember to save this browser for future logins, allowing Wrike to remember the browser and make future sign-ins more convenient. Open the project you want to use, making sure you have selected the correct project before continuing with the proofing process. Click the project item you want to proof to open its details and review the content before adding your comments or approval decision. Click the file item you want to proof, such as an image, to open the item and view its available proofing options. If you want to add a comment, click the dot marker tool to enable the option for placing a comment marker directly on the item. Click the specific area where you want to add your comment. Enter your comment according to your needs, providing clear information about the selected area or explaining the feedback you want to communicate. Click Send to submit the comment and add it to the item for other project members to review. To approve the item, click Approve to begin the approval process for the selected item. Enter a comment explaining your approval decision, if needed, providing additional context or information about why the item has been approved. Click Approve Task to confirm your decision and complete the approval action. Go back to the item detail view to review the item. You have now successfully used the proofing tools in Wrike.